Welcome to Singapore, guys. Today's video I'm gonna show you a little bit of this beautiful city here in Singapore. Arriving today, we were traveling with Celebrity Solstice and we disembarked today to explore this beautiful city. This is the Chinatown here in Singapore. We are in this area which is close to the hotel. It's a store in 2D. We are inside of the shopping mall near the hotel that we are staying right now. This is all Chinatown in Singapore. Here you can find a lot of souvenirs. God of Fortune Feng Shui. I don't know what is this, but looks weird. Like horsefish. This is all in Chinatown in Singapore. Here in Chinatown in Singapore, you can find everything that you need. If you have a toothache or if you have a nasal obstruction, you have everything that you need here for your health. Migraine, headache, relief tablets. Everything, gastrodia, dizziness relieving, good night capsules to sleep. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult to read it because it says made in Singapore, it's made here, but the language is in Singapore or in China. Lipid health tablets, neck pain. You have a pill for every single pain that you have in your body. It's hot, really hot in Singapore. Oh, this area is more nicer. We are here in Singapore and we are looking for some food in this Chinatown. So we are gonna eat in this restaurant. The name is Hunan Cuisine. And we are gonna try this food today. Let's see. We just bought an ice cream, but it looks like a drink. We are gonna try. Let's try. You're gonna like it. It's really good. We have a McDonald's here in Singapore and I think we are gonna try this one. Let's try McDonald's in Singapore. Ow. And where is the menu? In the machines. We are just here in Singapore. Today is our almost last day here, and we have been eating the Chinese, Vietnamese, Thailand food, all that kind of food. But today we decided just to eat McDonald's in Singapore because we want something different right now at this point because we have been traveling for the last 15 days. So now it's time for us. We need something like us, something you know, like our culture. So we order a Big Mac.
Here you go.
Let's see if the same taste. I hope yes. Looks like. Yes. Oh, they put cabbage, like, yeah, which is different, you know. I'm gonna try the Singapore hamburger in McDonald's.
There you go.
I need it so bad.
Ah, bueno. Good.
It's good.
Tastes like America.
Tastes like America. Yes, it's similar, the same flavor. It's good. We need it. French fries
Abre México.
was the right time.
No hay straws.
See you in the next video.